Hey, are you looking for cheap travel insurance? Well, there are tricks for that. Let me tell you, whether you are a frequent flyer like me or you're planning the trip of a lifetime, no one wants to pay more than they need. So the secret to cheap travel insurance, it's not just about a tiny price tag, it's actually about finding the sweet spot between the cost and the coverage. In this video, you'll learn how to fill potentially costly gaps in your cover, how buying early unlocks extra value, and why comparing is an unskippable step to get great cover at a great price. If you have your own travel tip, please tell me in the comments. For now though, let's start looking at your itinerary. So, just like your wardrobe choices, your cover needs to match your plans. You can't just buy an ordinary policy for a really big trip. For example, I absolutely love cruising, but if you're doing more than just a day trip, you'll need special cruise cover to keep you protected because Medicare won't cover you when you are out at sea, even in Australian waters, that's true. Always, always, always read the fine print and tailor your cover to your trip so your holiday budget doesn't end up becoming an emergency fund. Okay, now, when is it a good time to buy your cover? This is really easy. You gotta trust me on this. You've gotta buy it as soon as you book your flights. If disaster strikes before takeoff, and heaven forbid that happens, but having travel insurance means you may still be able to claw that money for prepaid bookings. If you leave it to the last minute, you could leave yourself high and dry. So make sure that your insurance is at the tippy top of your to-do list. Ready to buy? Comparing could save you cash. Just hear me out on this one. If you've ever tried haggling with the locals overseas, this is a good example. You'll know it's all about making sure everyone gets a fair price. Hey, face value, you might get overcharged. Travel insurance, it's actually similar. Grabbing the first policy that you see could mean that you miss out on the best deals. So lucky there is a solution that is much easier than bartering. Just jump on Compare the Market and search for great value cover that suits your needs, your budget. Simples. Now, if you've got your to-do list, if you know your top priorities, and you've done a quick comparison, you are ready to pack your bags for your next adventure. Bon voyage. Remember, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe and head to comparethemarket.com.au to compare a range of travel insurance policies.